Hello everyone. Did you know that 90% of top performance in management have one thing in common? It is not intelligence. It is not the degree they hold. It's the emotional intelligence that makes them best. And if you are not deploying this skill, you are falling behind. Let me show you why emotional intelligence managers are the real powerhouse and how you can become one. First of all, let's understand the emotional quotient advantage. What is this EQ? It is the art of understanding and managing emotions effectively. There is a proven fact that 90% of top performance have higher EQ than IQ as per the Talent Smart study. Google's project Aristotle reveals psychological safety and emotional quotient trait as a key to winning teams in Google. So, self-awareness is the first foundation of a great leadership. What we mean by self-awareness is what we ourselves feel. First of all, we have to understand ourselves. Self-aware leaders spot their strengths and weaknesses very clearly because these emotions matter. They understand how feelings influence choices and action. One real example is Indra Nooyi led PepsiCo with deep self-reflection, which boosted the morale and innovation principles in PepsiCo. So what is the takeaway? Encouraging feedback and self-reflection among the leaders is most important for self-awareness. Another thing comes about the empathy. Empathy means connecting to the human soul. So why we need empathy? Because it is essential for resolving conflicts. It drives motivation and loyalty. As an example, Howard Squivart's empathy led Starbucks through tough crisis, where when Starbucks was at crisis, he improved the trust and the culture of the Starbucks team, and that results in today's success of the Starbucks. Empathy raises employees' retention by more than 40%. What about relationship management? We can build the high performing team with the help of better relationship and better emotional quotient. Because emotional quotient helps in managing the conflict appropriately and better say constructively. We can inspire and influence the people around us. Emotional intelligent managers communicate clearly and they motivate their team to their full potential. As in case study, Satya Nadella's intelligent quotient driven leadership boosted Microsoft stock by more than 500% in a very short duration. Productivity boost. High intelligent quotient leaders deliver teams with 25% more output effortlessly. So how we can master this intelligent quotient? What can be a roadmap for us? First is the gathering the feedback. We must use 360-degree review for insight. Then we have to attend the workshops and we have to develop this emotional quotient skill and we have to regulate our emotions. Third comes the mentorship. We must learn by partnering with high intelligent quotient leaders and by learning from their examples. We can regularly assess our intelligent quotient growth and evaluate ourselves on a performance criteria. Finally, how we can unlock your leadership potential with embracing EQ. We, this intelligent quotient can transform good managers into unstoppable ones. These managers can be the leaders of the future. You can download a free guide for intelligent quotient for unstoppable leaders from the description below. You can build thriving teams where success becomes inevitable. Remember, the smartest leaders aren't the one who know it all. They are the ones who understand people. Emotional intelligence isn't just a skill. It is your competitive advantage in today's fast-paced world. So like this video if you are building your leadership career, and subscribe to Management in Minutes for more meaningful lessons every week. Let's grow together, smarter together. Thank you.